I'm Nandita Puri, and I'm an author, writer, journalist, and I chair the Om Puri Foundation. Now, basically, everyone has several breakthroughs in life, turning points in life, and I have also had my breakthrough. I've come from a very, very humble middle class background from Kolkata, and went into journalism and did broadcast as well as print journalism, worked for some of the top publications in India, abroad, as a columnist, as a reporter, and then slowly from a journalist, I went on to become an author. I've not yet read the book, but I'm really looking forward to reading the book. But the concept is very, very interesting, very, very charming. It is based on several personalities who've risen from literally from the bottom to the top, and with having several breakthroughs in their lives. So anyone who wants to aspire to do something, I think this book would be a very interesting read for them. And I'm really looking forward to this book, The Breakthrough by Megha Bajaj. And I wish Megha all the best, and I wish everyone happy reading. Thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Namaste. मैं आकाश मुंद्रा, a firm breakthrough believer. First of all, a big thank you to Megha Bajaj for publishing that book, The Breakthrough. तो 24 अगस्त 2013 I was turning 40 और उस दिन सुबह फुटबॉल फील्ड पे मेरा लेफ्ट एंकल टूट गया, मतलब लिटरली टूट गया. उसके बाद में 3 घंटे की सर्जरी और 13 स्क्रूज, एक वायर, एक प्लेट, मल्टीपल राउंड्स ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट फॉर अबाउट 9 months. ना उसमें ब्रेक थ्रू क्या है? आई हैड द चॉइस. आई वुड हैव गिवन अप एंड सेड ठीक है यार, चलता है, हो जाएगा. बट लुक, हियर आई एम. 45 डिग्री टेम्परेचर है बाहर. मैं दुबई में हूँ और मैं अपने पैरों पे अच्छे से चल रहा हूँ, कभी कभी दौड़ भी लेता हूँ. So I am a firm believer of breakthroughs. Life gives us a chance. Never miss it. Thank you, Megha Bajaj, once again.
Hi, I'm Aditi Chauhan, goalkeeper of the Indian women's football team and the founder of She Kicks Football Academy, and I am a breakthrough believer. I am eagerly waiting for the book The Breakthrough and its inspiring launch. Hope you join me too. And I want to share an experience of my breakthrough where I was able to follow my passion for football and set up my own football academy exclusively for girls, which is called She Kicks Football Academy, and I couldn't be more proud about it. To learn more about such breakthrough experiences, do visit the website www.thebreakthrough.co.in.
Hi, I'm Nikita Narayan. I got my first breakthrough movie in 2011. It completely changed my life. I want the book The Breakthrough by Megha Bajaj to offer you a breakthrough in your lives too. There is a book launch happening on August 15th, and I'd like to wish them all the very best for this book.
I'm a great believer in breakthroughs. One of the best life-changing breakthroughs happened in the path of infinitism was during PAP, Profit and Peace session. The 3 magical words given by Mahatria: create, continue, cancel. Create thoughts, continue the right thoughts, cancel the wrong thoughts. Create associations, continue the right associations, cancel the wrong associations. This 3C was applicable to me in all walks of my life. It was like Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva for me. It led to a peaceful, profitable progress.
This is Boniface Prabhu. My breakthrough in life is my sport, which has helped me go beyond boundaries and reach my goal.
Hello everyone, I'm Meghna Gaonkar and I am a breakthrough believer. Well, I'm really excited and I can't wait to read this book called The Breakthrough, and I'm really looking forward to this wonderfully inspiring launch as well. I hope you all join me there.
Hi, my name is Praveen Kumar. I'm a stand-up comedian. I got my biggest breakthrough as a stand-up comedian when I started performing in Tamil. That was the biggest breakthrough for me. I'm sure this book, The Breakthrough, will give you a lot of breakthroughs in your life.